y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Black Girl Magic Cupcakes. Now this was super easy to make and really fun. So if you'd like to watch me make this, stay tuned. Let's get to these Black Girl Magic Cupcakes. So here I'm just getting my 3 colors ready. This client wanted a lavender, a turquoise, blue, and light pink. So I filled 3 bags and then I cut the tip off of 3 bags, and I'm using those 3 bags to fill 1 bag so I can have the swirl effect, as you can see here. Now here, because I'm using a cake board and I don't want my cupcakes to move, I put a little bit of icing on the bottom to keep them in place. It kind of acts like glue. Now here I'm just doing nice swirls, starting on the dress first. And I ran out of icing. I need to fill my bag again with the 3 colors. And I went in the middle and added a little bit of extra, but you don't have to. But I decided I wanted a fuller dress. Then I added white for the background of the top of her dress and made some chocolate icing by adding cocoa powder to my buttercream for the face. Now I did have to add a little bit more because I noticed that I could still see the cupcake peeking through. So I added a little bit more so that I could have a better base. Now I will let the white and the brown stiffen a bit, and I will do the balloons. Now it's time for our Black Girl Puffs. So I've just added more cocoa powder to my chocolate icing I did for the face to make darker for the hair. Now as you can see, I have a bowl of water. This water is hot, and I take my spatula and put it inside the hot water. For me, this makes smoothing the icing very easy. So I'm smoothing the white and the brown for the face and the background for the dress. Now it's time for her bodice. And I'm just using the same 3 bags of icing I had in the beginning, and I'm just doing some little swirls and puffs, and this doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to put sprinkles and a little glam on it afterwards. I'm going to give her little butterflies on her hair. I'm using the rice paper butterflies. As you can see, I bend it right on either side of the black middle body part. Now it's time to give our girl some arms. And when I get to the tip of the arm, I pull back a little bit to indicate her hands. Now I'm using the leftover colors to make black. I'll be using black for her eyes, eyelashes, and also for the butterflies. And I'm using a toothpick because my arm is not steady at all to be freehand drawing these eyes and eyelashes. So I'm putting the butterfly back. I needed to move it for me to do the eyelash, and I'm adding balls onto the dress and some smaller sprinkles for the bodice of the dress. Here I've dipped my finger in a little bit of water, and I am tapping to get the peak off of the balloons. Directly on the board, I'm adding the name and flowers and butterflies. here I'm using some iridescent glitter powder to put onto the cake. Now I am just plucking the paintbrush so that it falls nicely. Give her a little shine. And there we have our Black Girl Magic Cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe if you'd like to see more of this content.